Oh no, I want to start doing digital art, but I don't have money. Whatever shall I do? Well, I'll tell you what you should do. You should download Critter. That's what you should do. You should download Critter. Critter is a free open source website where you can just download it and have it. You don't have a child. You don't have to have a membership. You just Google Critter, find it, download it. Once you get Critter, you have the option to open it. It gives you an option for animation or comic book. For right now, I'm just using digital art. Critter is very similar to Photoshop. It gives you a lot of options when it comes to brushes. You get a lot of them, and you also have the option to import brushes into your program. But you start off with a lot, so you don't have to download a bunch of things before you start. The programs, the program Photoshop, you can pull up programs from Photoshop in Critter if you ever need to do that. But anyway, use Critter. It's a great source and it's free.